Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and this is a spring decorate with me. This is a collab put together by Heidi at Happily Thriving Heidi and Lindsay at Domer Home. After you're done watching my video, don't forget to click the playlist below and watch all the other people in this collab and be inspired to decorate your home for spring. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you like what you see, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Okay guys, I'm actually in the middle of a makeover in my living room slash family room, and in the middle of decluttering some of my decor. As you can see here, all this stuff is going to the Goodwill. So if you want to see those videos, I will link them down below. In fact, this Friday is another episode of my living room makeover slash Fix It Friday. So in my living room makeover video, I had cleared off all the shelves because we were going to paint those walls, and there was quite a bit of decor. In fact, a lot of decor, but I kind of liked it, but I'm going to change things up now. So in today's video, I just wanted to add a little spring decor, plus kind of play around with how I want to decorate those shelves, even though I'm going to have to take this decor down when we paint the wall. But that won't be for a couple weeks because the color green you see on this wall here is going to change again. Yes, we still don't like that color. And you're getting a sneak peek at the green color on the wall because actually that color is what we paint on the wall this Friday in this Friday's video, but I have to go get another color because I still don't like it. I'm trying to turn on these puck lights for you, but you actually can't really see it because it is too light outside. But I have little puck lights in the cabinet here to light up the little vignettes. And I love these peonies that are in this picture here. I got them off of Amazon. I will put a link down below for you. I have actually bought 2 sets of them. One of them is in my front door. They come in all kinds of colors. They're really, really good quality and really, really pretty. So I'm using things I already have around the house, and the only thing that I bought new were these corbels that I found yesterday at Home Goods. And everyone needs a little new decor to refresh everything else that you have, so I couldn't resist buying them. I really liked them. I think I like the books up there with the corbels instead of the picture. It just wasn't looking right. And this is what my living room used to look like. I have actually not seen this so close together to the other green color. Oh my gosh, it's so different. And you can still see the patches on the wall that we still need to do. And we got a new couch. And you can't really see it on camera, but it actually is a slight green color. So that refreshes it. And I had these yellow cushions on there, but I decided I didn't want to use them at this time. I kind of want a neutral color And you can see that green coffee table I showed you a second ago. Yeah, that's temporary. That is a kids craft table from my craft room. And I'm looking for a coffee table. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Okay, I think this makeshift coffee table needs a little something something just to disguise that it's actually a kid's table, so I'm going to find a little something to put on it. I'm also in the middle of redoing the shelves, the top of the cabinets actually. I got rid of quite a lot. The whole entire top of the cabinets was filled with decor, and yeah, I downsized a lot. And I made this little vignette the other day with this green runner. I thought it brightened up the space and brought a little spring color to this breakfast nook. I have one more thing that I want to add to the couch, and this is a crocheted blanket that I made about 10 years ago, and I'm gonna put that on the couch. Okay guys, thanks for watching and coming along with me while I decorate my living room and actually practice decorating it to get it to the way I think I want it to look. We'll have to see what it looks like in the end. I'm sure it's going to take 2 or 3 times of rearranging things till I get it to where I want it. Plus, I need to wait until I paint that wall another green color one more time. Stay tuned for that. Episode number 3, episode this Friday, and episode 4 and 5 will be coming up in the next couple of weeks. Don't forget to check the playlist in the description below. And until next time, guys, enjoy your day.